Okay, most people when they start turning pins use a barrel trimmer. You can see the one I've got hasn't been used for quite a while, gathering rust. And that will certainly work for most situations, but when you get into some really delicate blanks, you know, you want to switch over to sanding. And I've found Rick Herrell's jig here, his offset sanding jig, is the best thing I've found. You've already got the lathe to do it. Most people get a faceplate with their lathe when they buy it. All you need is, you know, a method to attach it to your tailstock, and he sells Morse tapers, I believe, so you can actually bypass the drill chuck and just hook it right up to the, you know, for $5 more, get the Morse taper adapter and do it that way. It works good, it works fast. Here we go. You can kind of hear the difference when you hit the brass. Not there yet. It's good on that side. There. That's what you're looking for.